Hello, Wildcats. This is Miss Ivy here for Monday's Marvelous Book Talk. Today I'm sharing with you New Kid by Jerry Craft. This is a brand new book that is actually a graphic novel. Hasn't even been put out on the shelf yet. So in this one, 7th grader Jordan Banks loves nothing more than drawing cartoons about his own life. And he's always dreamed of going to art school. But instead of sending him to the art school of his dreams, his parents enroll him in a prestigious private school known for its academics. So not really what Jordan was hoping for. When Jordan gets there, he realizes that he is only one of a few kids of color. As he makes his daily trip from Washington Heights apartment to this upscale Riverdale Academy day school, he begins to question and realize that he doesn't actually fit in to either one of these two worlds anymore. He wants to make new friends at his new school, but he still cherishes the new friends from his hometown as well. So can Jordan navigate the new school culture while keeping his neighborhood friends and staying true to himself? Can he navigate all of the problems that middle school kids face on a daily basis? To find out, read New Kid. This is Miss Ivy coming at you from your Wayside Library.